it basically means not too thick, not too thin. It's kind of far off. I'd say this is a little bit too thick, if anything. But as you're working, I'll come round and... So it all has to be done by trial and error a little bit. And if there's not enough ink on the palette, just give me a shout, I'll find some more. But there might also be, how you use these is you leave like a thick area, move it around in the light, you can then see the whole block has gone a little bit glossy. But it hasn't started to fill up all the little cracks yet, there's still some nice gaps in it.
Is it possible to clean it?
To clean it, yeah. Try to use printmaking paper. So it's super thin, it's almost translucent. And then I just drop it down. Okay? You don't really want to go doing anything with, because I've probably over-inked it. So what I'm doing is pressing my forefinger against the top of the knife, making sure it stays quite flat. So there you go. So there's our print. So that's a bit of square oak, that is. So put this down on the newspaper. I was just saying, Dan was just saying, put the newspaper underneath